This is Sarah from Braver Technology Solutions. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you 5 lesser-known quick tricks for Microsoft Word. 1. Highlight a paragraph. Rather than trying to slide your cursor over a paragraph to highlight it, try clicking anywhere in the paragraph 3 times. 2. Return to your most recent edit. If you're anything like me, you tend to make several edits and rewrites before finally calling a document complete. If you ever need to look back at your most recent edit, simply press Shift F5. 3. Change from lowercase to uppercase. Have you ever needed to write out a title in all uppercase and then forgot to hit the caps lock key? Simply highlight the text and press Shift F3. 4. Change the size of the text. Want to quickly change the size of the text in your documents without using headings or the ribbon interface? To make the text larger, press Ctrl, Shift, right angle bracket. To make it smaller, press Ctrl, Shift, left angle bracket. 5. Repeat your last action. Word remembers the last action you performed. If you want to repeat it, simply press F4. This means if you just tried making the font bigger or smaller, as per the previous trick, you can keep hitting F4 to continue to perform the same action. If you need any more help with Microsoft Word functions, our corresponding blog post is linked in the description below. If you have any more questions about Microsoft PowerPoint or other Microsoft Office products for your business, please contact us. We are always happy to help.